Hey Boxers, today we're looking at a replacement seat for a John Deere L100 series riding lawnmower. This seat is made of vinyl construction over foam for the cushion in the back. It's a small bucket seat style with a low back. If I flip it over, you'll see the bolt patterns. As you flip it over here, you'll see the bolt pattern, and I give those dimensions on our site and also in this video, and also a location for the seat sensor. So it's a really easy replacement. Unbolt the old seat, take out the seat sensor, set in the new one, put in the new sensor, all set to go. Let me give you the dimension for the bolt pattern. We got 7 5/8 center to center and 4 inches center to center. If you're starting your summer season and you got a few rips in your seat and you're looking for a quick replacement, check out the link in the description below or go to zbox.com where we have great prices, an easy checkout, quick delivery, and great customer service. I'll leave a link in the description below that goes directly to this seat. Otherwise, go to zbox.com. Thank you very much.